Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title, today we're going to be doing a updated hair care routine, and you guys have been asking a lot. I'm getting a lot of questions regarding my hair, and basically I have done a video like this already regarding, what I use on my hair and how I blow dry my hair, but I felt, might as well just do an updated hair care routine. Starting off, I want to answer just a quick few FAQs about my hair. So my hair is not processed, not relaxed. Right now there is no color in my hair. It's just all natural. I as well don't remember what exactly the texture of my hair is, like, 4C, 4B, etc. I do not remember, but I'm sure some of you guys probably can, mention in the comments just from how you see it right now. It took me very, very long to figure out how to do my own hair, and obviously I'm not a pro. My hair is already washed right now. When it is hair day for me, like I know I'm gonna blow my hair out this day, in the morning what I would do is, in my old hair I have these hair drops, and they are not specific to any brand. I just use any hair oil that I have, like castor oil or whatever oil that I have that's moisturizing. I take that in some drops and I kind of just put that on my scalp just to moisturize it. I normally would do this like the night before, but one, it made my pillows stink, and two, I just didn't like the smell overnight. So I did it the day of wash day. So like I said, I would put that in my scalp all throughout, massage it in, and then continue on my day as normal. And then maybe like 5 hours later, you can also do this only for 2 hours or whatever, but normally 5 hours later, like after I'm done working or when I have a break, I'm like, okay, I can start to wash my hair. I am not really that picky when it comes to shampoo and conditioner. As long as it's made for thicker hair, coarser hair, then I can use it. So right now I am using the Coconut and Hibiscus Curl and Shine Shampoo with Silk Protein and Neem Oil. This is by 𝗀𝗄. Obviously I picked this up from America and brought it here. Big bottle, and it's been lasting me forever. I will leave all of those product links in my description box below, so be sure to check that out. For conditioner, I'm also using 𝗀𝗄. I do like to match conditioner to shampoo, like same brand. Most of the time, I'm using Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Conditioner with shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar. This is what I'm using as conditioner. And FYI, just an update, I wash my hair once a week, if you wanted to know the cadence of that. And then lastly, I think one of the most important things is this strengthening conditioner. This is basically what you leave on for a little bit so it soaks into your hair and builds up some more strength. I am still using my 𝗱𝗲. If you've been following me and you've seen my other hair videos, I always mention 𝗱𝗲. I am using this 𝗱𝗲 Botanical Repair, and I've been using this since I was in high school. So this is what I put in my hair. So that's basically all of the things that I do with my hair, wash it, and then my hair gets like this. I like to blow out my hair when it's a little bit wet, so I don't like to air dry it for too long because then my hair gets really frizzy and not as straight. So I did re-wet it a little bit just so that it's still a little bit wet. With that, we can move to the bathroom and we can start the actual hair doing process. So we're in the bathroom now. If you guys have seen my other videos, I use a normal blow dryer. Now I'm using this 𝗀𝗄 blow drying brush, and when I say it's one of the easiest things to do, it's really easy. I find it low effort, you could say. So guys, this is the brush. Absolutely love it, does the job. I always put it on the highest level up here, the highest level of heat. I also already put in a heat protectant in my hair. You can use whatever you have home. I also sprayed my hair with some leave-in conditioner, and that's about it. So I normally like to section off my hair in 2 sections. I can feel my hair is already starting to dry, so I'm gonna try to move a little fast with that. I'm also not very precise in the type of parting or whatever. I just grab hair and start to work. So now that I have the section off 2 sides, I'm just gonna take a little piece from the left side. Then I just take one of these brushes and I'm just gonna brush out my hair. This is how my hair is looking brushed out. So this is a brush. It's as easy as just brushing your hair. So I'm gonna turn this on the highest and then just start to brush. And that's normally about as straight as I get it with that brush, which is perfect enough. So I'm gonna move on to the other side. While I'm parting this, I just wanna say FYI, some of the best blowouts that I get from my hair is always due to my ends being snipped. And I've found that whenever I cut my ends, my blowouts look so much better and so much more uniformed. So I would definitely recommend regular, just like split end cuts or even checks or whatever, just to make sure that your ends are in order, because that also does make a difference with the look. That is basically the back done, and it is relatively straight. Obviously with the normal blow dryer you can get a little bit straighter, but this does the job, so I'm fine with it. I'm gonna speed through the rest because it's more or less the same. Before we move on to the flat ironing bit, I want to show you guys the tools that I like to use for the flat ironing part. So obviously have a comb. Then I also have this little tool here, which really helps with holding the hair as I drive the flat iron through. So this for me is quite important. That's basically about it. I'm also going to be using my claw clips again just to hold my hair up. Obviously my flat iron, I love, love, love this flat iron. This is by 𝗶𝘁𝘁, I believe. I'm gonna try to leave the link below or a similar link. So normally when I turn it on, it's at 200 degrees Celsius, but I just click the intense and I flat iron my hair at 220 degrees Celsius. While that's heating up, I'm just gonna put my hair up in 2 sections, similar to how I did the blow drying part. I kind of just grab it up, no specific part or anything. I just claw clip those together, just like that. And when I start to flat iron my hair, I only start with my crown and, you know, the neck back, basically, to flat iron these little bits out there. So I think I've gotten most of them. Just gonna take this side down and not using a comb, just using my fingers. I'm just gonna part a small section here and then put up the rest. And then this is what I'm gonna start to flat iron. So I break this off into tinier sections, and I'm just going to run the flat iron through. Just gonna move on. And there's not a specific amount of times I do this with the flat iron. It's just until I feel like the piece is straight enough. So now that I've done each piece individually, I take this little thing here and I kind of comb that out a little bit. And then I take it and I run the hair through it at the same time as the flat iron, to give it one big overall flat iron. So that is the first piece done. I'm gonna repeat that process on this side. So guys, this is basically how I blow dry my hair and flat iron it. And normally my hair is curled, so I normally don't leave my hair straight. If you want to see how I curl my hair, I will link a video here in the cards and you guys can check that out. But I'm not finished yet. I normally have to add an oil to my hair so that it keeps the straightness. I'm using still the Nexxus New York Salon Care Clean and Pure Invisible Hair Oil. This is how it looks. I'm not sure if you can get this in Germany or Europe, but I for sure know I can link the US link. And I just add a few pumps. I do a little bit on the top. I run my hands through, and then I leave the rest for my ends. My hair smells so good afterwards. And it adds just such a beautiful shine to my hair, and it just, like I said, it smells so good. So this is the finished product, and when I curl my hair, it's even the most beautiful result ever. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any other questions regarding my hair or products or anything in general, just ask in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer.